Hey YouTube, check this out. Got my cayenne pepper. It's the last harvest of the year, 2020. I'm about to make hot sauce. Excellent. Let me go ahead and chop them up and boil them. Smash some garlic, chop up some shallots. Add some carrots if you can, but if you don't have it, it's fine. Kosher salt. Just guesstimate. All right. A total of 3 cups of water and 1 cup of vinegar. That's vinegar. All right, let's boil it. Sugar in the raw. And 2. And that's your sauce. Hot sauce, baby. Ooh, wear goggles when doing this. Open up the windows too. This thing has been boiling for 45 minutes. I'll give it 5 more minutes and let it cool down, and then we'll dump it in a blender. Yeah, let some water evaporate and you'll end up with a concentrated concoction, right? So, yeah, 3 more minutes. Look at this beauty right here. Let it cool down just a tad bit more. And I'll put it in a bottle or a dispenser, something like this, like a ketchup dispenser. Thank you so much for watching. I do appreciate it. Don't forget to click subscribe, click that notification bell. Chat with you guys later. Take a look at that. Oh, tastes good. One more. Here it is. I gotta give this to my son to go. Take it home with him. But here's my hot sauce. Thanks for watching. Chat with you guys later. Bye for now.